Hello friends! Today we will examine 4 different choppers in detail, one of the most important helpers of our kitchens. First of all, let's start with our LANNI'Unun 16-in-1 model. It stands out with 2 different sizes of chopping blades and 5 interchangeable blades. The blades are made of stainless steel, which offers you long-lasting use. The exterior is made of food-grade BPA-free ABS, so you can use it with peace of mind. Thanks to the cleaning button on the top, maintenance is very practical. All parts are dishwasher safe and the ergonomic handle is easy on your hands. Positive user reviews. 1. I have been using it for 6 months. The blades are still as sharp as the first day, especially when chopping onions. It doesn't burn my eyes. Great. 2. It is a great convenience that it can be washed in the dishwasher. All parts are sturdy and durable. 3. The ergonomic handle does not tire my hand at all. It chops vegetables very fast and smoothly. 4. The space it takes up in the kitchen is minimal, but it is multifunctional. Definitely worth its money. 5. The cleaning button is very practical. The blades are cleaned with a single button. I am very satisfied. Negative user comments. 1. After 3 months, cracks appeared on some plastic parts. 2. Changing the blades is a bit troublesome. It could be easier. 3. The dicing apparatus sometimes gets stuck. I have difficulty. 4. The price is a bit high. There are more suitable alternatives. 5. The user manual is insufficient. I had to watch videos on YouTube. Let's take a look at the cook with color 11-in-1 chopper, a spiral cutter blade, a medium chopper, a julienne blade, a ribbon blade and a fine chopper all in one product. Especially the sharp handle of the spiral cutter is specially designed for your safety. They haven't forgotten the cleaning kit brush, scraper all come in the box. Positive user reviews. 1. The spiral cutter works perfectly. My zucchini spaghetti turns out great. 2. The color options are great, adds a pop of color to my kitchen. 3. The cleaning brush makes my job very easy. 4. The julienne cuts are very smooth, restaurant quality. 5. My children started to eat vegetables thanks to the shaped cuts. Negative user comments. 1. The plastic parts are a bit flimsy. 2. Spiral cutter sometimes clogs. 3. Easy to lose parts, should have a storage box. 4. Sharpness decreases over time. 5. Difficult with large vegetables. The generic 12-in-1 looks stylish in smoke grey and lime green. With 12 interchangeable blades you can slice, dice, grate and julienne. It has BPA-free food-grade ABS plastic and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. The hand protection device and non-slip base are designed for your safety. The parts can be washed in the dishwasher, and a cleaning brush comes with it. Positive user reviews. 1. Great price performance. 2. The safety device is very functional. I feel safe. 3. The non-slip base is especially useful on wet worktops. 4. The 12 blade options meet my every need. 5. Very easy to clean. Every part is dishwasher safe. Negative user comments. 1. Some blades are not very sharp. 2. Plastic parts seem flimsy. 3. A little difficult to change parts. 4. The storage box takes up a lot of space. 5. The mandolin cutter is a bit dodgy. Finally, our Fullstar 4-in-1 chopper. 420 stainless steel blades keep their sharpness for a long time. The soft grip handle made of TPU makes it easy to control. Thanks to its non-slip rubber sole, you can use it safely on both wet and dry surfaces. The chopping process is much more organized thanks to the special catch tray. All parts can be washed in the top rack of the dishwasher. Positive user comments. 1. The TPU handle fits very well in the hand. 2. The catch tray allows me to keep the kitchen clean. 3. 420 steel blades are really sharp. -4. The compact design takes up little space in my cupboard. 5. The non-slip sole feature is very safe. Negative user comments. 1. Only 4 functions were too few. 2. The price is a little salty. 3. It is difficult to chop large potatoes. 4. Difficult to find spare parts. 5. The tray sometimes leaks. All 4 products are successful in their own right. It's up to you to choose the one that best suits your kitchen needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.